I get these crazy ideas sometimes, and I want to break down the process of these leaves breaking. I want to speed up the process, I should say, of the leaves breaking down in this. So I said, could we use a weed eater in it? And they told me I was crazy. So we're about to try that out. Okay? Here we go. Stand back. Hey! You gotta go like this. Up and down. See what? It's working. Ha ha ha. Wet. See, look. Why can't you go ahead and shut it a little?
You gotta see what I'm doing.
Well, you can. That helped a lot. Just that. Look at it. It wasn't such a crazy idea, really.
It was wet and heavy and dense.
Yeah. We can stir it up, though.